Hi, welcome back. My name is Zach from PRONEWS. Today, I'm here with Sean. Sean, thank you so much for joining us.
Of course.
Please tell us what's going on with all of this, and it looks amazing.
Sure.
Yeah.
So we're here with Screw Inc. They're our Japanese customer. My name is Sean from Motorized Precision.
Okay.
And we have Colossus behind us and our software called InterBEE Studio. InterBEE Studio is the world's most simple and intuitive motion control software. And it's using a gamepad, like a PS5 or an Xbox. You can also design moves using an iPad.
Okay.
And it's really simple, really fast to get really dynamic moves.
You could tell. I mean, just gorgeous.
Yeah, so we have a wide range of products that we shoot or live action. We've worked on Marvel movies. We have clients like Apple, Microsoft that own the robots. So it's any field that you can think of, we can. And I want to show you how it works on the software. So if you guys want to take a look at that.
Absolutely, we do.
So the way this works is we're going to use a gamepad, and we're going to unlock the robot over here, and then we can see as we're jogging around, we can look through the camera's eye, and just like you would when you're on a tripod or on a jib or on a crane, we can decide where we want to go and line up our shot and then set keyframes on our timeline. We also can pull focus, iris, and zoom, and we can set it all up in the timeline. What I typically do for a product shot like this is I'll set a target. So you can set a keyframe and then pull your focus. And based on where that measurement is, we've mapped our lens so we know where the motor is. And then we can tell the distance and say, this is that point in space.
So much time saving right there.
Yeah, so what that looks like here is there's this little blue icon, and that's our target.
Okay.
So once that target's set, we can just run our move. So basically, I'll go around with my controller and create a bunch of keyframes. So I say I want a keyframe here, then I want to look at this, and I want to look at this. Just like a director would on set, like, all right, frame this up and then frame this up. And then we can run it, and we choose how that works. So I might want a linear move here. I might want a Bezier, like a curved move.
Yep.
I might want a track move. In this case, I might want an orbit that moves around.
Yeah.
The top speed for this robot is 6 meters per second. So it's incredibly fast.
Yeah.
Just as a reference, we're below 2 meters per second for what you're seeing here. So imagine 3 times the speed of what you're watching today is what we can actually achieve. There's no need to go that fast right now, but it's impressive. Another thing you can do is we have an iPad app, so I'm going to show you guys that next.
Cool. Love that.
So we're going to be showing how you can create moves on the iPad. So the first thing I'm going to do is calibrate. I've already floor is pre-calibrated my robot.
Yeah, but this
I can save
it's really good because Japan is starting to catch on now.
Over here and find the QR code as a little motorized precision, and then I say use QR code. So once I've used that, we're ready to record. So I can choose, what kind of lens I want, and then if I was a director and I just wanted to get my idea around, I can just say, okay, so I'm going to hit the record button, and I want to record on this right here. I'm going to hit record, and I'm going to walk around the bottle. I want to come up here.
That's right. Angle a little bit.
I want to come down, come around, and then, sweep up to here. All right, so now I have my shot. We can look at that shot. See what it's going to feel like, have the energy of a handheld shot. We can see what the track do. We can see what the robot's going to do. So before, instead of bring this or even bring your tape measure or anything, you just bring your phone or iPad and do the entire shot. See what the background's going to look like. You can go at the right time of day. So if it's sunset coming through a window, you can capture that.
Very cool, right?
You can see
it's a big UGC,
all the way over here.
Huge for that.
You can also bring in 3D.
He has a contact to.
So let's say you have the new iPhone.
So I was telling him
You still need to
a glam bot.
bring in a 3D object here. Put it on your set where you're going to be shooting. Shoot a little preview, and then you can play that back, send that to the client. So like here we are on location. This is what the background's going to be. It's going to have this shaky energy feel to it. This is my 3D model in there. In this case, it's a real model because we have an actual model here. And then you can send that right over to MP Studio. And now it's over there.
You know, this is what a lot of people are talking about, how much these apps can make it so easy for the client
Yes.
to see the content, so you don't have to come back
So
another day
the
or
difference,
another day.
the difference here is that we made all those keyframes before one at a time with the controller. Now we just did this long move, and it's going to convert in seconds to dozens of keyframes. So we went from like one keyframe at a time to dozens in about 30 seconds, etc.
Yeah, congratulations on, congratulations on the release of new CRN 100. This new remote camera. What's so special about this?
And they want a copy of the footage
tell
at
me.
some point, so we should
Wanna
remember
learn.
to
So I can
just hit
can give
record
them
at some point.
What's so special about this? You can have it. Have it. Yeah. Get this
Yeah.
way.
So at some point, we don't have to do it later, we should record.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look at this guy.
Right back. Hard or something.
Something hard?
Sorry, that.
You're gonna interview.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
You do camera. Alright, so we'll get you mentally prepared.
I'll link you up.
Sometimes it almost looks
Whatever.
CG because moving in such a unique way, yeah.